Hey guys, how's it going? It's Zenthis again, and I'm bringing you another super quick tutorial. This time I promise I'm going to make it really fast. It's about the Nvidia Broadcast App. It just came out last night. If you don't have it, get it. This works for whether you're a streamer or not. It doesn't even matter. As long as you're on PC and you're using some sort of microphone, I 100% recommend this. The microphone or the speakers. Let's get into it. All right, so here's what the app looks like, right? This actually, I thought you were gonna have to like try and record from the Nvidia GeForce experience, like if you wanted to record anything, your games or gameplay. But this app is like universal. So basically, once you download it and you turn it on, it literally looks like this. It's super simple. You choose the microphone that you're using currently. Right now, what you are hearing is my MXL 990. It's this one right here. Obviously, my headset has one, but I'm not gonna do it on that one because I don't normally use it. I only use it on Discord. Anyways, so you're gonna choose your microphone source with it, whichever one it is that you're trying to do the noise removal. That's the feature you need. That annoying keyboard clicking sounds, and then for gamers, you no longer have to worry about the stupid fan noise in the background like I currently have on right now. I literally have an AC right behind my monitor pointing upward, and then I have a fan back here to circulate. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but as you can see, the effect is on. I have the strength all the way. Now, just, as a warning, this app isn't perfect, but it definitely has improved, and I'm hoping that they can make it even better. Like, it just came out, so whatever. You're going to throw that on, and the strength, you're going to adjust it to, I have it on high, and I've tested it already. As long as it doesn't distort your voice, you're good. Now, this is with it on. This is with it off. I don't know if you guys can hear all of that. I'm gonna turn up the volume on the microphone just to make it like stupid loud. Testing, testing, testing. I don't know if you guys can hear the AC and everything in the background, and I'm gonna turn this back on. Huh? Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. And let me turn this back down. Boom. So obviously it works. It's wonderful. You know, keyboard clicking noises or your controller when you're going off. Another cool thing is the speakers. You can also do the noise removal too. I currently have it on, but only on my chat one. So the cool thing about, and I love these headphones for this, is the Steel Series Arctis 7 uh, Pros Wireless 2019 edition, right? Not the regular one, the 2019. We got the newer ones. Anyways, so this one has a dual channel. It has one for the game and it has one for chat, and it's up to you which one you want to use. Um, Obviously, anything that has to do with the game, there's a little more bass. The one with the chat, it's meant to be flat, like for only chat, obviously. So what I ended up doing was, because I have my Discord coming out on the chat one, sometimes your homies or whoever, they might not be using this and they have a cheapo mic or whatever the case may be, or the TV's on in the background, or kids are running around, or whatever, just a loud noises other than their voice. So you can turn the noise removal on and then it will remove it for them. Like what you hear though. Does that make any sense? Now you will be able to hear your homies clear regardless of what the hell they're doing, eating chips or whatever. And then you can even use these the samples here so you can hear what it might sound like. The camera, we're gonna turn this on. As you can see here in the preview, it doesn't look like it over here. Well, here on the actual OBS, the bottom this way, this one, right? It doesn't look like that there because since I turned this thing on after I had already started recording, you're not gonna see it. But as you can see, background blur. Once you choose which camera it is that you're using, you turn this on. Background blur, the strength, you can move it up and down. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, starts to remove it on the middle one. in case you want to blur out the background, you know, this is what basically makes it look super cool. I'm not going to leave it on though. I only wanted to show you guys because I kind of like the way mine looks over here. But you could, if I really wanted to, I could leave it kind of weak and that would still look nice. But it gives you the opportunity to do the background replacement like this. No more green screens, no more Elgato, none of that. So just remove everything. Obviously, it's not perfect. As you can see, there's still, you know, a little something right here, right there. I'm now covering it with my hand. But this thing is awesome, man. Yeah, just mess around with it. I'm not gonna leave it on though. I don't care for none of that stuff. If you wanted to, you can put an actual, you know, the way people do the green screens and stuff. Now you can put an actual picture up there. It's in beta. Obviously, they're working on it still, but this is just some great features. This you will run in the background, and you can make it run when Windows starts, and you don't have to keep turning it on and off. And this will actually work with for content creators, OBS or whatever. Just make sure that on Windows, I have to move the camera this way. On Windows down here, you have to go and select it. Let's go to sound settings. Oh, just make sure on Windows you have to go and select it. You go to sounds here, boom, recording. You have to make the Nvidia Broadcast one your default. That way, any game that you go into or whatever it is that you're using will now have this. It'll be suppressed. You have to turn this on, right? If you're on, once you start using OBS, I'm gonna bring this here. I can put this back. Settings. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, you guys can see that. Go to audio. You have to choose your microphone as Nvidia Broadcast. See how my desktop audio too, I have it on chat. That's for Discord. I can mute that if I want. But you have to throw that on so that the effect goes through. Anyways, that's it. This thing is amazing. Try it out for yourself. Please leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe. I'll give you guys more tips. But this is for everyone. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.